Welcome to HKS Drehantriebe GmbH here in Wächtersbach in Germany. After a day of installation of the 3DSignals system here in our factory, I'm really excited. I met the people from 3DSignals just 6 weeks ago, and today I'm here and we have the first setup done of the machinery, and just after one day I already have all the data on my smartphone telling me what my production lines are doing, if they are running, if they are idle, if they are off, and all my people are already really happy. I'm thinking back many years ago, looking into systems like this for machine data. This is the first time I saw a system which is easily installed. We installed the first machines and it took less than an hour per machine, and after an hour I already could see on my mobile device what the machine is doing. Having this experience, I'm really keen in getting the next months done to be able to work with this data provided by the guys from 3DSignals and start optimizing our production.